Hi there, we're Adversent. Adversent is an online community for anyone who wants to master all things digital. We're on a mission to provide universal access to world-class education. Basically, we want to unlock your business's potential and help you learn whichever way works best for you. All our content is available online, so once you've signed up, you can learn from anywhere. At home, from work,
or even on your commute.
You'll learn everything at your own pace, step by step. And best of all, the vast majority of our content is available for free. So, how will we provide you with this kind of education? Well, let me show you. We're a team of experts and industry leaders in the fields that we're in, and we want to see you get to the same level. We're here if you want to upgrade your business's online strategies, if you want to master digital marketing, or if you want to learn all the skills you need to build a business online from scratch. We've got your back in everything digital. When you enroll in our courses, you'll learn from our experience and put it into action with us. You'll learn everything you need to get the results that you're looking for and increase your brand's performance and marketing potential across all digital channels. You'll learn how to make your brand's presence felt, how to harness your reach and get the right kind of customers for your business. We use all of the techniques that we'll teach you in our courses every single day across all of our campaigns. We stand behind every promise, every system, and all the training we'll give you, because we've been doing this for over 10 years now. We'll teach you the techniques used by the top 1% of industry leaders worldwide. So, what are you waiting for? Come and learn with us.